Hi guys, Colin James Potter here once again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, short video today. Just thought I'd show you the finished personal launcher, and we have the cat on duty to give us a hand, whatever she might do. I have no idea. Okay, a YouTuber, Slim Riddim, I hope that I've pronounced that right, suggested that we stroke the cat. Suggested that I put the valve disc on the inside of this new part for the gun. The only problem is I couldn't figure out a way of actually rotating it from the inside, you know, from the outside, because I've got to be able to get to this to open it and close it, obviously to vent the breech. So what I've done, I've put this disc on the end, which I had before, and to be fair, before it worked out quite well. It's Macrolon, which is tough. It's the stuff they make bus shelter shields out of, and it's 6mm thick, so it tends not to bend or bow or anything like that. So as before, when it's shut and you're ready to fire, you get the explosive reaction which takes place in the breech, and it's quite a force, it's quite an explosion in there which fires this ball out of sight. I can't remember, we did chrono it up on the before we did this mod, and it came out at something like nearly 300 feet per second on the chrono. Perhaps a bit more now that I mix the O2 with the gas now, rather than before I just injected a short burst in there and just fired it. Now I'm mixing the gas, there's more of a volatile explosion. But this this rotary valve here, it won't leak or anything like that. There's no gases during the combustion process that actually get past this valve. It's really tough, and the holes in it are only 6mm, so when it's shut, you know, there's no way the gas is gonna push that away and leak. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I hope that answers your question. I couldn't figure out a way of putting that on the inside. I can understand what you mean, because if it's on the inside and it's shut, the explosive gases in the breech will tend to sort of like push it shut anyway, but on the outside it does actually work fine. So anyway, what I've done is I've glued the end cap, which I showed you in the previous video, which is a nice fit, into the bottom of this, and there's a rubber seal. So I've screwed the whole thing all the way onto the gun until I felt when the rubber was engaged, and I gave it another little push forward to make sure it's a nice tight seal. And as you can see, what I've done on a 90-degree PCD, I've put the stainless steel 30mm security screws at 45 degrees to each other. There's one underneath and there's one on the other side here. They go through the adapter and through into the breech, which is I think it was 10mm wall thickness, which I double lined. So this is as strong as anything. That's never going to be any problem. The barrel is secured, anchored by these straps, and that is a similar setup. The barrel's fixed to the coupling is then fixed to the 110 foul pipe, which is double lined. So that is it. She's almost ready to go. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pin here and a pin here, so you don't have to line up these white marks visually. You can just have a pin stop. And at the moment, if I can lift this up, at the moment it's not lined up properly. Let me just get it lined up properly so you can see. There you go. They're all lined up, so that's a clear line through into the breech, and when I turn on the fan, that blows all the spent gases out, and then you just offset it like that, and then it's shut, ready to fire. So yeah, how cool is that? So that's all I've got to do, is put a couple of pins in so that I don't have to do a visual check that that's open or shut. I can't remember which way around it is actually. Oh, that's open at the moment, so the two white marks is open. So I shall put a pin for open and then a pin for shut. I've moved the straps, you know, the shoulder strap from the underneath, and they're now mounted on the top here. There's one up here and there's one, if I turn it over, just slightly offset to the side of the red dot sight there, so you can put it over your shoulder while you're carrying it around, and you can also shoulder the strap when you fire it. I can't really think of anything else to talk about really, apart from she's all ready to go. The cat is showing great interest in this. Puss puss, puss puss, puss puss, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Do you want to have a go in it? Do you want to go in it? So there you go. It's from the barrel all the way down to the end cap. And with Pussy there, I'm going to lend a hand. Are you going to go in it? We can't put the cat in it, can we? You can watch and I'll fire it. It'll probably run a mile. Our dog will actually... I don't know whether the dog will... Let me just take the... That's better. I don't know whether the dog will actually chase this, because when it fires out of here, you can't see it go. So she'll just be running around. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? But yeah. So that's it. And the next video will be out in the field and you can see it in action. Anyway guys, I hope that's answered a few questions, and don't forget to, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be the test fire. Cheers then, bye for now.